Good evening, everyone. This is Ruel Belmonte. I'm going to discuss about MMM. Uh, to begin with, what is MMM? MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. Millions of people from different countries have already registered in our community. We donate money when we can do it, so we get money when we need it. MMM is not a company, and it does not have the account where participants have to transfer money to. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other. MMM gives you a technical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free. All transferred one to another participants are your help given by your own goodwill will to another one, absolutely gratis. If you are completely confident and certain in your actions and make your mind participate, we kindly ask you to study carefully and warnings and instruction first. In cases of any matter regarding the topic of our online consultant are ready to help and answer all your questions. MMM openly declares that all the money is redistributed between members and not invested in any business project or securities. Relation between participants of MMM are built on a not contacts, no contracts and no obligation, but on trust and mutual respect. This allows the community to adapt quickly in changing external and internal conditions. So what is MMM? MMM Global is a community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to get money. Participants transferred money directly to each other. Means peer-to-peer system, no central account, and it will not collect your money. So MMM stands for Mabrodi Mondial Money Box. So the founder of MMM is Sergey Mabrodi. MMM is sure to be his life work, but not the only one. Sergey Mabrodi, having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer and took part of the development of the first operating system. The company he founded was the one leading computer equipment redistribution in Russia. He was deputy in Russian parliament. His literary works were published and they are sold in bookstores. Two of his screenplays were made into movies. His poems were turned into songs. So how does it work? MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. In MMM, you don't have to make contract or pledge your property. In MMM, there are no lenders and no debtors. Everything is very simple. One participant asks for help, another one helps. The only thing that MMM demands from its participants is to be honest and kind to each other. You ask for financial help when you need it. You give financial help when you're able to do it. So information about MMM. MMM global and widespread. So we use Bitcoin. 138 million members in 107 countries. 4 years of activity and 14 billion assistance provided. The fastest growing community. MMM of the fastest growing community of people in the world. So MMM is 100% legal in the whole world. The goal of MMM, help all the people in the world, spread the money among people so that they gain financial freedom, creating new fair financial relationship among people. So MMM advantages. 30% per month of your provide help is the growth of your Mabro. 10% referral bonus for the help made by the people you invited to join MMM. It's either your friend, relatives, acquaintances, and others. So we have bonuses for MMM. So $20, $50, and $100 for the first donation you provided. So 5% bonus for the video every time you get help. And a lot more bonuses when you create your own team. So Mabro rate is 30% per month. It is the regular Mabro rate. Mabro's amount will start growing from the moment of the deposit of the rate of 30% per month. The calculation of interest occurs twice a week. It's during Tuesdays and Thursdays. This sum in Mabro shows how much you can request yourself. So we also have MMM Extra. In MMM Extra, you can passively earn 20% up to 100% per month. By doing an online and offline task, you will probably get 100% growth rate of your Mabro after a month. So we do have two tasks. It's in online form and offline form if you are going to participate MMM Extra. So the registration are the following. So if you donate $50 to $499, you can avail $20. Donate $500 to $2,999, you can avail 50% dollars. $50. Donate more than $3,000, you can avail $100. This one will be occur only for the first donation that we are going to make. So referral bonus, every time we invite people in our community, we can get 10% of the 10% referral bonus of each donation that they are going to make. So you get 10% from all deposits of the participants you invited. Inviting new members into the community in your additional is your additional contribution to its development. But nobody forced to the member of the community to invite new participants. But at the same time, understanding that the MMM networks can exist without development and participants encourages in the form of referral bonus motivate many people to take an active position. So managers bonus are as follows. So managers of the community can create their own multi-level structures and get bonuses from each of the donation and every participants in their structures make. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, a manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher. Manager's bonus depends on his level in the community. So here are the breakdowns. 5% from the second level, 3% the third level, 1% for the fourth level, and so on. So manager's bonus, like for example, in this table, you can see guys, the donation is $50. So your first level, you can probably show here in the right side the reward level of the money that you can get once you are already a manager. So probably after the sixth level, you can get more or less 24 million Mabro reward, possible Mabro reward if you're already a manager. So MMM passive mode, when you provide help in MMM, you are donating money to the people, happiness, and dreams. So how to donate? It should be spare money and uh, save up your money of your dreams. So in this sample, we can see the computation after 12 months. If you donate 1,000, it will probably goes up to 23,000. So MMM uses Bitcoin since Bitcoin is very uh, popular now as the cryptocurrency payment. So MMM uses Bitcoin. So MMM uses Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a form of digital currency created and held electronically, so no one controls it. So means it is a free. Bitcoin is not printed like dollars or peso. They're produced by lots of people running computers all around the world by using softwares that solves mathematical problems. This is the first example of growing category of money known as cryptocurrency. What makes difference in normal currency? Bitcoin can be used by things electronically. In that sense, it's like conventional dollar, euros, pesos, or any traded digitally. However, Bitcoin has important characteristics, and the things that make it different is conventional money is that uh, it is decentralized. No single institution control the Bitcoin network. This puts some people to ease because it means that the large bank control their money. So safety participation of MMM, we have MMM rules. MMM is the community where people trust and help each other. That's why it uses principle. Only one account per one person. Only person of legal age is allowed to participate in MMM. Each participants have own unique Bitcoin wallet or bank account. In the MMM system, you are allowed to add several bank accounts to your personal office. However, note that this bank account have to be registered in the name of only one person. So it means you. That is, the account must have the same name and surname. In that case, if you add of your office account that are registered in the names of different people, you are automatically recognized by the system as a dishonest participants and will be blocked. So be careful, guys. You have the right to request assistance to be sent to any specified bank or Bitcoin wallet of yours. Yet it is prohibited to share the same bank account that Bitcoin with other people in the community. So how to donate and receive donation? We use Bitcoin in every donation. To participate in MMM, you must have personal office and registered under the link of the person who invited you to join MMM. Create a Bitcoin wallet in blockchain.info and link it to your personal office under account column. So ready to provide help? Make sure to have Bitcoin and click the button provide help and be part of our community. Together, we change the world.